Hi, 5th standard students. Welcome to Salo's View. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன லெசன் பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா டேர்ம் 1 சயின்ஸ் சப்ஜெக்ட் லெசன் நேம் ஆர்கன் சிஸ்டம். இப்போ வாங்க எவால்யூஷன் பார்க்கலாம். புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸில் உள்ள கொஷின்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் எல்லாமே பார்க்கலாம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் choose the correct answer. What is the length of alimentary canal? Answer is 6 to 9 meter. Second one, which organ is involved in respiration? Answer, lungs. Third, how many kidneys do we have? Answer is 2. Fourth one, functional unit of brain is? Answer is neuron. Fifth one, blood is pumped by heart. Fill in the blanks. A group of organs together make up an dash system. Answer is organ. Second one, the process by which the body removes waste is called dash. Excretion system. Third one, the number of chambers in human heart is dash. 4. Fourth one, the functional unit of kidney is dash, nephrons. Fifth one, the human nerve system is divided into dash parts, 2 parts. Answer is 2. True or false? In human respiratory system, length of trachea is 8 to 10 centimeter. Answer, false. Second one, the circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood and blood vessels. Answer, true. Important function of the heart is to transport blood with nutrients, oxygen, waste and hormones. Answer, true. Fourth one, the brain is protected by the rib cage. Answer is false. Fifth one, the functional unit of kidney is neuron. Answer is false. Next, circle the odd one. First one, mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, lungs. The odd one is lungs. Second one, nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, stomach. Odd one is stomach. Third one, mouth, esophagus, stomach, kidney. The odd one is kidney. Fourth one, taste, hear, think, smell. Odd one is think. Fifth one, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, nephron. Odd one is nephron. Next, match the following. Digestive system. Right answer is alimentary canal. Second, respiratory system, lungs. Circulatory system, heart. Excretory system, kidney. Nervous system, brain. Answer briefly. Number 1, name the salivary glands in our mouth. Answer, the 3 pairs of salivary glands, parotid, sublingual and submandibular gland. Second one, what is respiration? The respiratory system provides oxygen to the tissues of the body and removes carbon dioxide from the tissues. There are 3 major parts forming the respiratory system: airway, lungs and muscles of respiration. Third one, what is the function of pericardial fluid? Answer, the space between the membranes is filled with pericardial fluid. The pericardial fluid protects the heart from shock. Fourth one, name the chambers in human heart. Answer, the heart is divided into 4 chambers. 2 upper chambers are called atria or auricles. 2 lower thicker chambers are called ventricles. Fifth one, arrange the excretory system in correct sequence. Urinary bladder, ureter, kidney, urethra. Here there are given, you have to arrange them. First one kidney, second one ureter, third urinary bladder, fourth urethra. Sixth, what are the two parts of peripheral nerve system? Stomatic nerve system, autonomous nerve system. Seventh one, what are the functions of bloods? Bloods transports nutrients, oxygen, weights and hormones. The volume of blood in human adults is 4 to 5 liters. It regulates water level and the body temperature. Blood is pumped throughout the body by the heart. It takes oxygen to tissues and cells and finally reaches the lungs to take oxygen again. Okay, thank you students.